Hey guys, look, I decided to just make a preview button, kind of like the terms of use page where I can just stick it in there and I don't have to like remake it every single time, kind of like our covers. So I just opened up a PowerPoint and then I just typed in what I wanted it to say. Sorry, there's like a dialog box open in here or something. It's fine. Okay, let's go back to what we were doing. Okay, so what you do is you type whatever you want to say. Then I'm gonna select it all, right click, and press save as picture. And then I saved it, like I called it preview button, just in my Google Drive. So that way when I do my Google Drive, I can just click it, you can see it there. So I'm gonna go over and show you how to add it. So here's my little President's Day, no prep. So to do this, you go view, and then you go to slide master, and I'm gonna bring it all the way. Sorry, I'm just thinking about something. Okay, so you just go like this. Insert. Sorry, my computer is really slow right now because there's something downloading. And then you just go to picture. Okay, here we go. And then I'm just gonna insert it. Just make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And then what you want to do is you want to go back to your slide master and you want to close out on it like this. And then it will be on all of yours. What I was thinking about before is I'm trying to figure out like how to get it over shapes. So see how like it doesn't go over shapes in clip art, and I can't quite figure it out. I thought I figured it out. So if you go into slide master, I thought, okay, well, I'll just right click and press bring front, but it still doesn't do it for all of them. And then I just wonder, like, do I have to go to every single one? Yeah, I'm not quite sure. So if I ever figure that out, I will let you know. But so far, I just have it like that. And that's it. And then that way, like, you could just throw it in there. You don't have to, like, retype, re-enter shape, and put preview in it every single time.